this is the parking lot. And that used to be a fence over there, but it looks like some trees have come down and destroyed. Yes. It's Ike. Nice, huh?
Yeah, I was gonna say. Pretty crazy.
Do you have electricity?
No, man.
I saw it looked like one building over that way had it.
It seemed like my building lost power first thing last night. I swear to God, I looked everywhere else, everybody else had power.
Where did you lose?
I lost it. Maybe an hour after.
Oh, really? I think ours went off probably about 2 o'clock. I know. I look at the fence. I said, well, used to be a fence.
Yeah. How are y'all doing?
Oh, just peachy. How are you?
Pretty good. Your place got any damage? My window blew out.
Where do you live?
Building 3.
Up front? Is that up front?
Yeah, it's the one right behind the pool.
Oh.
Facing this way.
We didn't have any of that.
Really?
We're right over there.
Woke me up. So, started to doze off, trying to stay awake, and then started to doze off, and that thing made a ruckus. Now the entire corner of that room is just soaking wet.
Yeah, that's what happened to my neighbor. His window busted out. It started leaking, and the sheetrock coming down to the line.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
that's the extent of mine.
I'm impressed with how well these things hold.
Yeah.
That was ferocious. I mean, I went out at like 5 o'clock. Maybe before that.
I know. I was hearing that.
Yeah.
You don't mind being in my movie, do you?
Of course not. Soak it up.
I'm probably going to put it up on YouTube.
Okay, right? You want to start crying?
Huh?
You want to start crying?
Yeah, you can say, oh! Where's the Red Cross? FEMA, help me! We're all gonna die!
Bush doesn't care about white people.
That's what they told. We came here right after Allison. The first thing we did is said, well, did you get flooded? They said, only the back parking lot came up.
So that's where
I knew that already, so that's why I never parked back here.
Smart man.
That's why I pulled my car.
I was going to ask you that.
How you can do that?
How you like the X-Fence, Mikey? X-Fence that I used to be there.
Oh, I'm not going to have so much privacy anymore. Can you help me with your car window?
Yeah, there's
I tried to roll it up higher and it rolled down a little bit. Yep, one person has to pull the lever and the other person push the glass up.
No, you just have to push it up, and it ain't gonna work at all.
What?
I said you just have to push it up.
I can't hear you.
You just have to push it up. It won't work at all. You pull it up a little bit, and
I
then
did make it go up.
push it up the rest of the way.
I think if you roll it down with the switch and then make it go up, and then somebody standing outside of it, and they push on the glass, it'll go up the rest of the way. As it was leaking. I figured if you left it down a little bit for cigarette purposes.
No, it just won't go up. It goes up, and then while I'm driving, it'll come back down again.
I wouldn't hold your camera out in the rain if I was you. If you weren't taking any pictures.
I am. It's a movie camera.
Oh.
I asked them if they mind being in my movie because I was going to put it on YouTube.
Oh.
That's why they started saying, "Oh my God, we're all going to die." They said, "Should we start crying?" I'm just pointing it wherever I happen to walk.